This is NSP's new Tinder-D8. It's the perfect match for any surfer wanting to surf down the line, in the pocket. It's made for effortless turning and the perfect board for any condition. So this construction is a custom surf epoxy. It is NSP's premium layout. It has 6 + 4 ounces on the deck. It has a 4-ounce bottom. We have reinforced fin patches, whilst also we have got the carbon fibre tail patch that gives you extra flex control when you're hitting the lip or doing cutbacks. So the bottom shape of this board, it comes from a single concave through the middle, running out to a double concave through the fins. It gives you a lot of speed and that extra rail-to-rail performance. So with the fins on the custom surf epoxy, we've got a 5-fin FTU box cluster setup, which allows you to put your favourite fins in from Futures along with a few other brands, whilst also it allows you to change from quad to thruster. So depending on what the conditions bring and also your preferences, it gives you a lot of customizability. So this board's also offered in 2 other constructions. It's our ProTech, which is another one of our performing technologies, whilst also we have our Elements, which offers the most durable board in our range. Those 2 constructions come from the 510 in length up to a 6.6, so you've also got good choices there. The board will keep you in the pocket and it will enhance your maneuvers no matter the wave conditions. So whether it's super clean and barreling, or if it's onshore messy slop and you need to do a floater over a section, this board will do the job.